LegalZoom Compliance Services App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Compliance Services app is designed to keep businesses legally compliant, but most people get this wrong when they think compliance is only about filing forms on time. Surprising truth is that this app can simplify a wide range of ongoing legal obligations, from annual reports to state-specific filings, saving you time and reducing the risk of costly penalties. The app offers tools to track deadlines, automatically generate reminders, and even prepare certain compliance documents. For small business owners and startups, this is a game changer. It ensures you don't miss critical filings like annual reports, business license renewals, or corporate updates. LegalZoom also provides access to expert guidance, helping users understand what steps are required in different states. One major pro is convenience. You can manage all compliance tasks from a single dashboard, making it easier to stay organized. Another benefit is accuracy. LegalZoom uses templates and automated checks to reduce the risk of errors that could lead to fines. Additionally, notifications and alerts help you stay ahead of deadlines without constantly monitoring multiple agencies. On the downside, the service isn't a substitute for a full-time legal team. Some complex compliance issues, like multi-state operations or regulatory changes, may require personalized legal counsel. There are also service fees, which can add up if you need extensive support beyond basic filings. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Compliance Services app is a powerful tool for businesses looking to simplify their legal obligations. By automating reminders, generating key documents, and providing expert guidance, it helps entrepreneurs focus on growth rather than paperwork. While it doesn't replace professional legal advice in complex situations, for most small and medium-sized businesses, it's a smart, time-saving solution that ensures peace of mind and compliance confidence.